If you want to set the child lock on any Toshiba Origin inverter microwave, I'll show you how to do that. It's fairly simple to do. Only thing you have to do is hold down this stop cancel button on the keypad for 3 seconds. Just hold your finger down on it, count to 3 seconds, and then you're going to hear a beeping. And what's going to happen is right here it's going to have like a long rectangle bar showing that it's locked, and then you're not able to operate it. Now to unlock it, the only thing you have to do is just simply hit the stop cancel button, and you hold that down for 3 seconds, and then what's going to happen is the time will show up showing that it's normal operation. Alright, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.